A little behind the scenes for my live. It's actually at noon today, but I've been setting up since March 23rd when I first connected with Mark Cronwell, who's the chief psychologist for the public board. What I do is I print off the copies of the slides and I hold them up to the screen here so that I can have lots of visuals. And the topic's Cultivating Mental Health Daily. Cultivating Mental Health Daily. And it's based on an article I wrote for the Drive magazine for Mental Health Awareness Month. And these are some of the things that bring me Mental Health Daily. And there are 5 parts to it, and there will be, I'm actually comparing it to an apple a day for mental health. And these are some of the props. I have a prop for almost everything. So wish me luck. I survived another talk. If you could have seen what my office looked like when I was finished, it's just me cleaning up a little bit of it right here, right now. Yeah, so it was definitely thriving under pressure because I had to switch between my desktop computer and my iPad Pro. The first, say, 12 minutes just like crashed, and then it crashed it again. But you know what? It was such a great audience and it made it so real. And so many of my students that I didn't even know were going to be there, who are CYWs, EAs, social workers, support workers, you name it, were in on the call. So I am going to celebrate with an ice cold latte made by me. And then hopefully John and I have a date night tonight. And then tomorrow night's a big night for F45 at the Bourbon, and hopefully Triple Sounds. The only way that I can get in the flow when I'm talking about the flow is to forget that anyone's really on the other side and just like get lost. I hope wherever you are today, this weekend, that you have a chance to do what you love, because as I talked about my speech, which was recorded, so I'll be sharing it a little bit, that it really is that consciousness is within our control, and that it's so important to go below the surface, and that positive emotions aren't simply Pollyanna, they broaden and build. 1 hour you're together, it's all the hours in between. And my PhD research was on teacher enthusiasm.